solve Geek for Geeks problem number 4. Difficulty level school problem number 4. Print alternate element of an array. You are given an array A of size and you need to print element of A in order alternate starting index from 0. Example n equals to 4. Array 1, 2, 3, 4. So output will be 1 and 3. 1 and 3 alternate index at alternate index. Now see example 2 n equals to 5. So array will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So output will be alternate position 1, 3 and 5. So let's write the code for this problem. First we use for loop for this problem. Now for int I equals to 0, I greater than n, I plus I equals to I plus 2. This condition is for alternate print. Now output statement is system dot out dot print arr I and space and concatenated space. Now compile and run. So code is completely compiled and run. And submit now. All the test cases has passed, so you can get a C and C++ and Python code from description. Thank you.